Welcome. Today we're taking a look at Geode's new cross-chain app search. If you're curious about finding other interesting apps across almost 100 different chains out there in the world beyond Geode, dApp search is where you want to go. There are tens of thousands of apps across almost 100 chains, and you can get all the info on every one. You're also going to see a quality rating next to each one. That is Geode specific. That's a quality rating that we've given each project. That does not mean you don't need to do your research. Please do. Click on any app and you can get all the information about that app right on one page. You can link out to use it. You can see our quality rating. You can see some summarized information about it. You can see what people are saying about it across different websites like Product Hunt and Reddit and X. See a summarized review about what people like, pros and cons. See what chains they're running on. And this is the really juicy part. Check out every single social media, Discord, Telegram, YouTube, X, everything. And do your research. Y'all don't use any app if you have not done your research. These apps are not on Geode. We cannot guarantee them. So please be safe. You have full responsibility. You can mark any of them as a favorite. You can add them to the favorites from the single view about any one app, or you can add them to the favorites from the big search page. And really use this to do your research and dig in on an app before you use it. The decentralized world is a place of incredible independence, and that means you have full responsibility for your own safety. Geode is not endorsing any of these apps. We are just helping you find them. You can filter apps by category, by rating. So we'll just check out this social app here and take a look at that. Read all about them and really use this. So there are not a lot of social links here. There are not a lot of links for this particular app, which tells me that they may either not be quite launched. Some of them we have smart contract data on, but not all of them. But we can at least sort of see what people are saying and what they think. And kind of check it out. Now, just because it has a high quality rating doesn't mean that an app is still out there functioning. We try to filter them out, but we would rather give you more and not less. So make sure you check out each one. We'll just add a bunch of favorites here so you can see what the favorite screen looks like. It is my favorite aspect of this app. Your favorites page is right up there in the menu, and look how gorgeous that is. That is just beautiful. So you have all of your favorite apps from around the entire internet of chains all organized in one place, and you can link out and go check them out. Yep, looks like STEM Social is getting a bit of a makeover right now. And see these little orange hearts? That means that you have favorited each one. So you can click on any one to check it out, link out to it, and from there get to their apps. Now, because these are not Geode apps, we cannot guarantee any of them. You are really on your own. Please do your research. But you can keep them all organized. So if you have favorite apps from around the entire internet of chains, you can manage them here. Just click the little orange heart to remove them from your favorites page and add as many as you like. And so you can really kind of check out everything about it, what people are saying. If you want to get involved in these projects, check out their Discords, their Telegrams, their X communities. If you want to invest in these projects, do your research. If you just want to use these projects, do your research. So you can get to the dApp search page either from the orange menu or from the Geode home page. And just for fun, we'll take a look at the high-risk category. I want to show you why some of these get a lower quality rating. So this one only has a 3.2 out of 5 for the Geode quality rating. There's quite a bit of information about it, but we see that some people are concerned, and we see that the users are concerned. And what we love about this is we get to see what the users say about these projects, not just what the projects say. So there is some concern about whether or not it's actually open source. And I think they had some recent downtime that upset and concerned some of their users. Does that mean this is necessarily a bad app? But it did get it dinged in our ratings. Downtime, that's no good. Making your users concerned and upset. No project is perfect, especially in the decentralized world, but we need to try to do better. So you can get to dApp search and get to your favorites page right up there in the orange menu, right next to your all your favorite Geode native apps. So you can start on Geode and play around and try, and then you can reach out across other chains and check out cool apps there. So tell your friends, try it out, tell us how to make it better, and we'll see you on chain.